Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My mum is a wonder. Every morning when I arise, it always comes as a surprise to see my mum dressed and ready, reading Quran by the baby. She greets me with a smile so bright, I forget that it was ever night, and a salam that straight away fills me with peace for the whole day. Her warm cuddle has the power to get me to brave the shower. She dries me with a hug, a kiss. I close my eyes in pure bliss. She helps me dress and combs my hair, and I think, is this really fair? Why should I have the best of all when some children have none at all? Round the table we take a seat. My mum gives us breakfast to eat. She tells us, thank Allah for food that makes you grow and does you good. I thank him too for giving me such a good mum and family. Look after mum, Allah, please do. That's my best wish, honest and true. When I come home from school at 4, whether we have one chat or more, it puzzles me how mum can see what's on my mind. It's beyond me. I help my mum water and grow flowers and bushes high and low. With her, I learn a seed can be a pink one day or a daisy. Each time she shows me how to pray, she reads Quran in such a way that I enjoy it from the start, and Allah's words soon reach my heart. She gives money to poor people, visits the sick in hospital. We see friends with newborn babies, as well as lonely and old ladies. She cooks and sews to make our Eid happy and special with all we need. New clothes and toys, delicious sweets, relatives, friends are all my treats. When I am sick and hot in bed, who stays with me and strokes my head, who leaves her bed for another to comfort me, make me better. Are you surprised that when she asks me to help her with a few tasks, I never ever refuse to, as only naughty children do? When I grow up to be a man, my dear mother will be a nan, and then who will look after her when she gets ill and much weaker? Why, little me, of course, her child. Caring for her will be my pride, my joy, my thank you, oh Mama, and bring me closer to Jannah. The end.